first time. Marquez starts to look menacing behind Andrea Iannone. Marquez now up into fifth.
Marquez is going to try and pull the pin here, and a move coming into turn 14 on Valentino Rossi, who will lead over the line.
This Formula Asia.
Has gone down.
I think that was him reacting. Marquez mistake. Happy side, the good news from Malaysia fans. There was no jump start. So what a launch! What an aggressive first lap. First time, Marquez starts to look menacing behind Andrea Iannone. Marquez now up into fifth.
Marquez is going to try and pull the pin here, and a move coming into turn 14 on Valentino Rossi, who will lead over the line.
And the good news is for Malaysians.
Marquez almost down.
And Iannone's gone down.
Has gone down.
I think that was him reacting to the Marquez mistake. First time, Marquez starts to look menacing behind Andrea Iannone. Marquez now up into fifth.
Marquez is going to try and pull the pin here, and a move coming into turn 14 on Valentino Rossi, who will lead over the line.
And the good news is for Malaysia. First time, Marquez starts to look menacing behind Andrea Iannone. Marquez now up into fifth.
Marquez is going to try and pull the pin here, and a move coming into turn 14 on Valentino Rossi, who will lead over the line.
And the good news is for Malaysia. First time, Marquez starts to look menacing behind Andrea Iannone. Marquez now up into fifth.
Marquez is going to try and pull the pin here, and a move coming into turn 14 on Valentino Rossi, who will lead over the line.
And the good news is for Malaysia.
Marquez almost down.
And Iannone's gone down.
Has gone down.
I think that was him reacting to the Marquez mistake. Happy side, the good news for Malaysian fans, I was about to say, there was no jump start, so what a launcher, what an aggressive. For the first time, Marquez starts to look menacing behind Andrea Iannone. Marquez now up into fifth.
Marquez is going to try and pull the pin here, and a move coming into turn 14 on Valentino Rossi, who will lead over the line.
And the good news is for the first time, Marquez starts to look menacing behind Andrea Iannone. Marquez now up into fifth.
Marquez is going to try and pull the pin here, and a move coming into turn 14 on Valentino Rossi, who will lead over the line.
And the good news is for the first time, Marquez starts to look menacing behind Andrea Iannone. Marquez now up into fifth.
Marquez is going to try and pull the pin here, and a move coming into turn 14 on Valentino Rossi, who will lead over the line.
And the good news is for the first time, Marquez starts to look menacing behind Andrea Iannone. Marquez now up into fifth.
Marquez is going to try and pull the pin here, and a move coming into turn 14 on Valentino Rossi, who will lead over the line.
And the good news is for
Valentino Rossi, who will lead over the line.
And the good news is for Malaysians.
Marquez almost down.
And Iannone's gone down.
Has gone down.
I think that was it. The first time, Marquez starts to look menacing behind Andrea Iannone. Marquez now up into fifth.
Marquez is going to try and pull the pin here, and a move coming into turn 14 on Valentino Rossi, who will lead over the line.
And the good news is for the first time, Marquez starts to look menacing behind Andrea Iannone. Marquez now up into fifth.
Marquez is going to try and pull the pin here, and a move coming into turn 14 on Valentino Rossi, who will lead over the line.
And the good news is for